What's good, Gamer Bros? It's me, your Asian Gamer Bro, back again. And today, we are gonna cement my head with duct tape to this SNES Classic system. I know it sounds kind of crazy. I know this is insane. And I know that the fire department is gonna get mad at me. But I'm gonna cement my head to this SNES Classic system with duct tape. And we're gonna try to play right afterwards. So let's do it, guys. Cut that son of a bitch right there. Oh shit, I almost put myself in an eye. No, that wouldn't have been all bad. Alright, so I'm gonna duct tape it like this. This is what I'm gonna do. Tape it like this. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh crap. Oh crap, that's really loud. Oh crap. Oh crap, that's really loud. Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah. How's it looking? Looks pretty good. Okay. Oh man. Duct tape is so loud. Shut up, you duct tape! Shut up! Ah! So loud, it's giving me a headache. God damn it. Alright. Alright. I think that's good. I think that's good. Now, I got it. And I went around like 10 times. Holy shit. Holy shit. I can't really see shit. Oh fuck. Okay. Now, I'm gonna attempt to try to play some games. Hopefully, I can play it and you guys can see me playing it pretty well. I think my head started to swell up. That's not a good sign. Now, I'm gonna plug in the controller in the slot. Ah shit, I should figure this out before I started this. Yeah, I should tell you guys a disclaimer. Don't try this at home, guys. Crap, it's not going in! Okay, there you go. It's in here. I'm ready to play. Oh wait, let me set the camera. Now I'm gonna plug. It's probably the hardest thing, is plugging the system in here to my head. I feel like this is a bad idea.